The taximan charged in connection with last week's crash on Eastwood Park Road in St. Andrew today pleaded guilty to 4 of 5 charges. Chad Ingram made the plea when he appeared before the St. Andrew Parish Court. TVJ's Prince Moore reports.
Ingram pleaded guilty to dangerous driving, fleeing the scene of an accident, and operating a public passenger vehicle PPV without a driver's license or PPV insurance. He pleaded not guilty to failing to report an accident. George Malcolm, the man who was hired to drive the taxi, pleaded not guilty to aiding and abetting dangerous driving, failing to report an accident, and operating a public passenger vehicle without a license or PPV insurance. Both men were remanded. They are scheduled to return to court on November 12. According to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Mr. Malcolm, who was the assigned driver of the taxi, handed over the keys to Ingram. When the car reached near the Halfway Tree Transport Center, Ingram swerved to avoid a parked vehicle. The car mounted the sidewalk and plowed into the 2 pedestrians. Ingram fled the scene. Prince Moore, TVJ News.